In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under retail trade. So we have about 18 to 23 questions practice from the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, a retail business that sells goods by post using catalog is a real departmental store, shopping mall, shopping mall, chain store, mail order firm. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is mail order firm. Okay, next to the question, this one, it says one of these is not part of small scale retailers. So the one that is not part of it is supermarket, option A. Next question, it says a shop with many stores trading under a single roof with stocks variety of goods with separate unit heads is a departmental store. Okay, option C, very important. Next question, it says a type of retail trade where a group of similar stores which is owned by a firm operates in different locations is a departmental store. Okay guys, it is a chain store. Rather, option D, the right answer to this question. Alright, take notes. Next to take question is this one. It says which of the following is centrally controlled? So the one that is centrally controlled is a department store. Alright, so take note guys. Next question is one. It says to eliminate middlemen there should be a retail outlet such as multiple shop. Alright, option B. Next question is one. It says a shop with many stores trading under a single roof with stores. This is a repeated question, so the right answer here is option C, department store, option C. Next question, a shop which consists of many stores trading under a single roof. Okay, still repeated question, option C, departmental store is the right answer. Next question, it says the reasons for the survival of small scale retailer are all except, so the exception here is competition, option B. Next question, a chain store usually combines the features of multiple shops and departmental stores, multiple shop and hypermarkets, mail order business and multiple shop, hypermarkets and stores. The right answer is option A, multiple shops and departmental stores. Okay, next question is one. It says a retail store that sells a single product from a particular manufacturer is a tied shop. Okay, option D, take note. Next question is one. It says department stores are usually located in suburban towns in low rented areas as city centers where low income earners live. So the right answer to this question is option C, as city centers. Next question says one of the functions of a retailer is the financial production activities, provision of credit facilities to relation, breaking of bulk, provision of jobs for customers. Right answer is option C, breaking of bulk. Next question, one advantage of small-scale retail outlet is availability of self-service facilities and ability to buy in bulk, easy access to large amounts of capital, personal attention to customers. Right answer is option D, personal attention to customers. This question, a trend in retailing which enables consumers to have free access to different products is where self-service, after-sales service, vending machine, branding. Let's check it again. A trend in retailing which enables consumers to have free access to different products is, so right answer to this question is option A, which is self-service. Next question, it says one of the functions of a retailer is the breaking of bulk, option A. Next question, one of the function of retail is the question, breaking of bulk, option C. Next question, a retail cooperative society aims at cutting off the profit of middlemen, lending money to members at low interest rate, encouraging members to save money, holding manufactured goods. Right answer is option A, cutting off the profit of middlemen. The last question for any video is one. The use of vending machine in retailing is hindered in a developing economy owing to ineffective communication system, industrial policy, and low level of education, lack of state power supply. The right answer is option D, lack of state power supply. So guys, this basically can do problems involving retailing trades for your JAMB commerce practice with about 80 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you understand the interesting of the video. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more on this video. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free in the question and comment section below, and I will sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership and click on the join button. Where we getting paid information and help you excel. This next exam JAMB and other exams I'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.